Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Viewmax.io step by step. If you're looking for a platform that helps you create videos faster using AI tools, then this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. We'll explore the main features, look at the dashboard, and go through the tools that can help you create content from start to finish. Viewmax is designed as an all-in-one AI content creation platform. Instead of using separate websites for script writing, voiceovers, video generation, editing, caption removal, and downloading videos, Viewmax brings many of these features together in a single workspace. This makes the content creation process much easier, especially for creators who publish videos regularly. When you first visit the Viewmax website, you'll notice that the platform focuses heavily on AI-powered tools. The goal is to help creators save time and produce content more efficiently. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, short-form content, educational videos, or social media clips, the platform provides several tools that can speed up your workflow. As you scroll through the homepage, you'll see examples of the platform's features and some of the tools available. One of the biggest advantages of Viewmax is that it allows users to complete multiple parts of the content creation process without constantly switching between different applications. After creating an account, you will be taken to the dashboard. Let's begin with one of the most useful tools, the AI script writer. Writing scripts can often be one of the most difficult parts of creating content. Many creators spend hours researching topics, organizing information, and planning the structure of their videos. With Viewmax's AI script writer, you can generate script ideas much faster. To use this feature, simply enter a topic or describe the type of content you want to create. For example, if you want to create a video about time management, productivity, fitness tips, technology reviews, or educational content, you can provide those details in the prompt box. The AI will then generate a script based on your instructions. The more detailed your prompt is, the better your results will usually be. Instead of entering only a few words, try providing information about your target audience, video style, desired length, and the tone you want the script to follow. Many creators use this tool not only for complete scripts, but also for brainstorming ideas. Even if you don't use every word generated by the AI, it can provide a strong starting point and help you overcome writer's block. After creating your script, the next step is often recording narration. This is where the AI voiceover feature becomes useful. The AI voiceover tool allows you to convert written text into spoken audio. Instead of recording your own voice, you can choose from available AI voices and generate narration automatically. To get started, paste your script into the voiceover section. Once the text is added, you'll be able to select from different voice options. Depending on the available library, you may find voices with different accents, speaking styles, and tones. Before generating the final version, it's a good idea to preview several voices and compare them. Some voices may sound more professional, while others may sound more energetic or conversational. You'll also have options to adjust settings such as speaking speed and voice stability. These settings can have a significant impact on how natural the final narration sounds. If you're creating educational videos, you might prefer a slower speaking pace that allows viewers to follow along easily. If you're creating short-form social media content, a slightly faster pace may help maintain viewer attention. One helpful tip is to avoid generating extremely long scripts in a single request. Instead, break your content into smaller sections. This often improves the quality of the voice generation and makes it easier to fix any mistakes. Once your narration is ready, you can move on to gathering visuals for your video. This is where Viewmax's AI video generation feature becomes useful. The platform allows you to create videos using simple text prompts. Inside the video generation section, you'll find a prompt box where you can describe the type of scene you want the AI to create. For example, you might request a modern office, a busy city street, a peaceful beach, a mountain landscape, or any other environment relevant to your content. The AI will analyze your prompt and generate video content based on your description. The quality of your results depends heavily on the quality of your prompt. Instead of using very short instructions, try being specific about what you want to see. Include details about the setting, lighting, camera movement, atmosphere, colors, and actions taking place within the scene. For example, rather than writing city street, you could describe a crowded downtown street at night with bright lights, moving traffic, and people walking along the sidewalks. Detailed prompts usually lead to better results. Depending on your subscription plan, you may be able to generate multiple versions of the same video. This allows you to compare different outputs and select the one that best fits your project. Another useful tool available within Viewmax is the Caption Remover. Sometimes creators work with videos that already contain captions. These captions may not match the style of the project you're creating. Instead of manually editing each frame, the Caption Remover attempts to remove those text elements automatically. To use this feature, simply upload the video you want to edit. The AI will process the footage and identify caption areas. Once processing is complete, you'll be able to review the results and determine whether the captions have been removed successfully. The effectiveness of this tool may vary depending on the video itself, the background, and the style of captions being removed. In many cases, however, it can save a considerable amount of editing time. As with any AI-based editing tool, it's always a good idea to inspect the output carefully before using it in a final project. ViewMax also includes a built-in video downloader. This feature can be particularly useful for creators who need reference footage or want to save content from supported platforms for later editing. Instead of searching for third-party downloader websites, you can paste the video URL directly into the downloader tool. After processing, you'll be able to download the content without leaving the platform. Having a downloader integrated into the workflow can save time and reduce the need for additional software or browser extensions. Another important part of the platform is the built-in editing environment. Editing is where all the individual pieces come together. Once you've generated scripts, voiceovers, and video clips, you'll need a place to combine them into a finished project. The editing tools within ViewMax are designed to simplify this process. Depending on the current features available, you may be able to trim clips, remove unwanted sections, arrange scenes, and make various adjustments without using separate editing software. This integrated approach can make content production much more efficient. Instead of constantly exporting and importing files between different programs, you can complete much of the process within a single platform. Once you've explored the individual tools, it's helpful to understand how they work together in a complete workflow. A typical workflow might begin with selecting a topic. After choosing your topic, you can use the AI scriptwriter to generate an initial script. Once the script is complete, you can edit it as needed and move it into the AI voiceover tool. After generating your narration, you can create AI-generated visuals or upload existing footage. If necessary, you can use the caption remover to clean up your videos before editing. Next, bring everything into the editor, arrange your scenes, synchronize your narration, and make any final adjustments. Finally, export the completed project and upload it to your preferred platform. This workflow allows creators to move from idea to finished video without relying on numerous external tools. When you log into your account, you'll be taken to the ViewMax dashboard. The dashboard serves as the central hub where you can access all available features. Depending on updates and changes made by the platform, the exact layout may vary over time. However, you'll generally find quick access to your projects, AI tools, account information, and available credits. Take some time to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the available options. Knowing where each tool is located can make your workflow much smoother in the future. It's also important to understand the role that prompting plays when using AI tools. Many beginners enter very short prompts and expect perfect results. In reality, the quality of AI-generated content often depends on the quality of the instructions provided. Whether you're generating scripts, voiceovers, or videos, detailed prompts usually lead to better outcomes. Think carefully about what you want to create and communicate those details clearly to the AI. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts and multiple generations. Often, the best results come from testing several variations before selecting the final version. As you continue using ViewMax, you'll likely develop your own workflow and discover which features are most valuable for your content creation process. Some creators primarily use the AI scriptwriter. Others focus on AI-generated voiceovers or video generation. The flexibility of the platform allows you to combine these tools in whatever way works best for your projects. Over time, you'll become more efficient and comfortable using the available features, allowing you to create content faster and with less effort. That brings us to the end of this Viewmax.io tutorial. We've covered the main features of the platform, including script generation, AI voiceovers, video generation, caption removal, video downloading, editing tools, dashboard navigation, and content creation workflows. If you're new to the platform, spend some time exploring each tool individually before combining them into larger projects. The more familiar you become with the platform, the more effectively you'll be able to use it. If you found this guide helpful, consider liking the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.